Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today in this edition of today's newspaper on Saturday. Yes, Saturday, November the 21st, 2020. In this edition, we have here 8 extra Sudokus. Sudoku with 1 star, with 2 stars, with 3 stars. 4 stars. We have tectonic number 1, tectonic number 2. We have 2 binaries, number 1 and number 2. So total of 8 extra Sudokus. And I won't make them all. I've mentioned earlier I do only 4 of them. Because too much to solve. Time consuming. And so I will do 4 of them. The first one is a 3-star Sudoku I will do. The second one I will do will be the 4-star Sudoku. And I will do a tectonic and a binary. So total of 4 Sudokus I will solve today. This one will be number 1917. Alright, and before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one I have already counted. This one has 25 printed digits. You can check if I'm right or wrong. Alright, so let's get started. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so in the row above, only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We see there 2, no 2 in those 3 boxes. There 2, no 2 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 4 should be there. Then, then 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So on the last row, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So on the third column, only place for the 7 should be there. In this row, 4 missing numbers. Yeah, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6 in this big square. So no 6s in those 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Then 9, 8, 6. Alright. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for a 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row above, only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 2. How about... Yes. In this big square, we have 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in those 3 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. So we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes. In this row, 5 in the row below. So in the last row, only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Yeah. 1. Alright. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 in those 2 boxes. here 1, no 1 in these 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see there 4, no 4 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 3. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here and 3 goes there. 1 box left in the last row for the number 6. Then 4. Alright. 3, 2, 7. Alright. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Then 8, 6, 1, 3, 9. Yes, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4, no 4 in those 2 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in this box. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 8, 4, 3. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those numbers are the 3, the 8, and the 7. 3, 8, 7. And look, 3 and the 8 we have here. So no 3 and an 8 in this box. The 3 and the 8 goes in those 2 boxes. 3 and an 8. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the number 7. 2 boxes left in this big square. For the number 7 and 9, we have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 9 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those numbers are the 8, the 9, and the 5. We see here 9, no 9 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be there. The 8 and the 5 are left. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 8 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 8. 2 boxes left in this big square. The 3 and the 6. Let me mark those because I cannot fill this yet. How about those 2 numbers in this column for the numbers 9 and 3. 9 and 3, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Then 9, 8 in this column, 8 in the last column. So the column between, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square. The 9 and the 3 are missing. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And 9 goes there. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 8 and 5. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And a 5 goes there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see, yes. Alright. Then 2 boxes left in this column, the middle column, for the numbers 5 and 1. Let me mark those because I cannot fill this yet. It's a pair. 3, 6, and 9. How about those 2 numbers in this column? For the numbers 9 and 3. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. The last 2 boxes in the last column, the boxes in the last column, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, the 5 are missing, and the 7 are missing. And we have a 7 there, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this can't be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be a 1. So we have a 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, only 3 places for the 1 should be here, or there. We see here 1, we see there 1, so no 1s in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 2. How about the 7 in this row? 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for a 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for a 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 6. We have a 6 now, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 3. How about a 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, only place for the 6 should be there. Now we have a 6 here, so this can't be 6 anymore. This should be the 6, and this should be a 3. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 9. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 1 number left in the third column for the number 3. Now we have a 3 here, so this can't be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be a 9. Now we have a 3 there, so this can't be 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be a 9. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the numbers 9 and 5. 9 and 5, we have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku. Not a 3 stars, I believe. Maybe 2 stars or 1 star. I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a few seconds with the second Sudoku. It will be a 4-star Sudoku. So, see you later. Bye-bye for now.